Residential status of Hindu undivided family covered under Section 6 subsection 2 of Income Tax Act 1961. Just like individual, यहाँ भी दो conditions है, basic and additional. And अगर HUF basic and additional दोनों fulfill करता है, then it will become ordinary resident. If it satisfies only basic condition, then it will become not ordinary resident. And if it does not satisfy the basic condition, the HUF will become non-resident. So what is the basic condition? Basic condition is that the control and management is wholly or partly India. The power to control the HUF, if it's in India, either wholly or partly, it will be said to be resident. एडिशनल कंडीशन ये है कि जस्ट लाइक इंडिविजुअल केस में हम चेक करते हैं 2 out of 10 years and 730 days out of 7 years the individual should be in India. Just like that, we have to check whether the karta of HUF is out of 10 years, 2 years he is in India, and out of 7 years, 730 days he is in India. So this were the two conditions, basic and additional. So accordingly, अगर वो satisfy करते हैं तो they will become resident, not ordinary resident and non-resident.